So former Cricket West Indies board president Mr. Dave Cameron is at it again, yes, talking up a storm, responding to allegations that he, Dave Cameron, is behind the pending challenge to the current Cricket West Indies president, Mr. Ricky Skerritt. Mr. Cameron says he's not interested in regaining the leadership of Cricket West Indies, nor is he interested in regaining the leadership of the Jamaica Cricket Association. Yes. So my question is, if you're not interested in leadership, Mr. Cameron, then why are you talking? Why are you speaking? What you say? Them touch your button, so you touch them back. Yes, them call your name, so you answer back. Mr. Cameron, you realize there's the same kind of pettiness and a little petty so. Why them boot you out of office? You realize? Mr. Cameron, what you say? A leopard never ever changes its spot. It's the maverick, social distancing, staying safe, and working from home.